Buenas, mi gente bonita, mi gente chula, mi gente bendecida. How are you doing today, my blessed people? I am your friendly neighborhood inventor. I come today with another video, talking today about the Cory vacuum coffee pot. Now, this vacuum coffee pot is amazing. Gives you one of the best coffees you could ever taste. Now, the trick is about this coffee pot is that you have to have good coffee. If you have bad coffee, you get bad coffee. If you have good coffee, you get good coffee. Of course, right? Of course. Anyways, but it comes down to the coffee you have. If it's bad coffee, you'll get even worse coffee because all the bitterness, all the coffee that it brings, all the additives or whatever that coffee has, you'll have it in the pot because the way that it filters, you get most of the oils, you get the taste of the coffee. But if you get good coffee, then you don't have to worry about that. But I'm making the seals or the gaskets for the pots. This is one of them. It broke because I used it. The ones that come in the listing, when you purchase one of these as they're old, they fall apart. Nevertheless, I'm making my own. So, and these withstand heat, and they're also food safe. But the ones you get in the listings on eBay, because you can't purchase them online anymore, or some place as they don't make them, so you gotta buy them, unopened or something on eBay. But they're very hard, and they'll stiffen up, and then sometimes they'll break, disintegrate due to the heat because they're so old. So I'm making my own. I'll put the link in the description below so that you can get them and you can support my channel as well. Anyways, like always, hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, God bless and Godspeed.